Good day, everybody. This lesson that I'm going to talk about is Amazon. It's an 1890 put chart. So when Amazon stock price falls below the 1890 price, then the 1890 puts fall down in price and they get into levels like this and people hold them on the way down that had them. The lesson to be learned is how to get the entry prices and when the prices are falling. Down here, it's time to buy the best price, move up. That is a wholesale entry price down here. We give you the entry price. So you would make at a $2 entry price, now at $9, you make $7 profits. Change your options trading 2020. Let us show you. Our options trading platform teaches you to get the lowest price entry. We give the option entry prices directly to you. Live trading room. We know you want to change your options trading 2020. Now is the time to do it with us. Down here, the options got very, very cheap. They got down to 97 cents. So let's say that you got in at $2, which is not bad. It's about $1.03 off of the low. And then now they're at $9 right here. And then we're going to be the ones that tell you how to get out of the trade. So let us do this. 99% of option traders don't know when to sell, as it says here on the chart. It's written out. Down at the time to buy, the best price entry. We give those prices. Our options trading platform is a market maker system. Live intraday training. It's 90 days with us. You get to make money off of this kind of trade. And it's time for you to take accountability and change your options and everything that you think about it. It's about getting that wholesale price. And who's going to be in control of the price? Is it going to be them or is it going to be you? Well, we can teach you how you can be in control of the option price by using our pricing management systems that will generate the price entry to you automatically. And then from there, you will go up in price and you will have profits because we gave you the entries at the bottom that you cannot get. So, therefore, you get to get in on the profits if you act today, right now. And once again, we will enjoy working with you. We will enjoy having a lot of fun. And we'll also enjoy the fact that we can be in control of the market and take advantage of these entries, whether it's on the put charts. That's what it's about. It's about how the market makers operate in the pit and how we fire our orders from our options trading platform generates those prices to those market makers, and we can change the market prices ourselves and no one can stop us. So why don't you get involved with us and see that live in action today and how wonderful that would work for you. Once again, as the examples of what you'll learn and how to get the wholesale price, which is the lowest, retail traders will ride these prices all the way down, and they will. And they know how to do that best. Does it sound familiar? You're watching the video because you want to change. This is the best system out here as far as market making goes in options and put options. With put option charts is the lesson. The highs were here. Prices are falling and we get to get the lowest entries. So when we got hit down here, the low was 97 cents. Now they're at $9, and that's what we do for you.